Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about Amprius Technologies, AMPX. We last spoke about this company back in January 20th of 2025. So it's been a few months, and it was a price at that time at $3.36 a share. So we're well off those numbers back in then. What does Amprius do? For a refresher, Amprius is kind of a high energy, high power lithium-ion battery designer, manufacturer, servicing the aviation, drones, electronic vehicles, wearable devices, and touching defense, artificial intelligence, robotics, and energy storage. So this company is touching with its lithium-ion battery products and storage devices. They are touching some of the most important high-tech items that are out there today. So that's what makes us exciting. Amprius Technologies has this exciting SiCore technology, silicone anode batteries. It's a little different. These are high energy density batteries, a little bit easier to manufacture because of their process, and very quick, more quick charging times. And they're manufacturing in the US in Fremont, California. They're expanding in Colorado. And then they have China and Southeast Asia-based manufacturing proxies as well. And they're looking for a European outpost. So this company is truly going global with its high-tech products, and that's actually quite exciting. So at a current price of just $2.44, that's kind of the interest in. And do we have something here? What is it looking like? So again, manufacturing expansion. They did get a $15 million order for their SiCore cells. Just recently in March. This is a sizable order for this company. They have good collaborations with Kular Technologies, Titan batteries. They have insiders holding approximately 8% of the shares, which is very good. So there's a lot going on with Amprius, and let's take a look at the fundamentals and see if this lines up. So Amprius is really kind of an interesting company from a fundamental perspective. Small cap, we're talking $288 million, which small cap always means huge opportunity for us to become investors in this company. At a price of $2.44, it's off its lows of 61 cents, but it's off its highs of $4.20 a share, down about 12-13% for the year this year, but over the past year, it was up very nicely. And the 5-year, it's down 70%. So this has been up and down, but manufacturing is up. Orders are coming in loud and clear. The balance sheet has $55 million of cash and really no long-term debt besides the normal payable type activities. Revenue clocked in 2024 at $24 million. This is a 169% increase, and these for growth investors like us, this is what we want to see. 2025 is estimated to grow an additional 42% in revenue, and they could be understating that so they can smash those revenue expectations. Analysts are pegging Amprius between $6 for a low and $15 for a high. So when we're talking about a $2.45 or so a share stock, there's a lot of room to run up in this with an average peg price of over $9 a share and a buy to strong buy rating on the company shares. So when you step back and you take a look at the opportunity, it's a disruptor and innovator. It's got great battery technology, and even though we've got some changes in the U.S. administration, they've got a global footprint. They've got manufacturing here in the U.S. They've got manufacturing in Asia for the rest of the world. They're expanding. They're taking on good growth orders, and with a total addressable market right now pegged at about $27 billion, and looking to grow all the way to over $200 billion in just the next 7 years. This means that this industry is still in its infancy, and we're going to see explosive growth. And that's why I'm adding to my holdings of Amprius Technologies, and you should take a little closer look at it as well. Do some due diligence, see if you like it. It fits in with my investing scheme, to go with high growth opportunities that have sold off, that have some revenues, some stabilization in the balance sheet, and tremendous growth in the hot sectors of the future. Let me know if you like this, and if you do, subscribe, send me a like, send me a comment, let me know what you're doing. And as always, you're appreciated, and thanks for listening.